Have you been thinking about writing an ebook, but you feel like, oh, it's too expensive or complicated? What if I told you that you can create a professional ebook right on your phone for free? And I'll show you how you can do that in just 10 minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. You can turn your idea into a real ebook today for free. And I'll also show you how to sell it like crazy. Now let's get right into it. First, we'll be using ChatGPT to create the content of our ebook. Please sign in if you are not already signed in, and let's get right into it. So you can start by asking ChatGPT to help you create an outline for your ebook. Let's say you want to write something about how to build healthy habits. So you can just type something like, give me an outline for an ebook on building healthy habits. It would generate the outline, the chapters. Just watch as it will do that. So we have our outline now. We created about 7 chapters. I had to stop it for the sake of this video. I do not want it to be too long. Now let's go ahead to get the content. Okay, so you go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate the content of each chapter. We already have the outline, but now we need the flesh of the ebook. So that is what we are asking ChatGPT to do for us right now. And I went ahead to type generate the contents of each section. So it would go ahead to elaborate on each of the topics and the subtopics. So just like that, we have our complete ebook. I had to stop it because I didn't want the video to be so long. So just like that, we have the content of our ebook. We are ready to get started. Now let's get to work. Okay, so now that everything is ready, we have the content. We are going to go ahead to start creating the ebook itself, like the book itself, not the content, since we have that. So you go to your Google Docs where you would copy and paste all of these things that ChatGPT has produced. Okay, it's from these Google Docs that you'd copy also and direct into Canva later on. Just follow through and you'd get it. It's pretty easy, trust me. But if you do not want to go through the stress of having to copy and paste into like a note-taking app or your Google Docs, you can actually do it directly into the Canva. Now let's design the ebook on Canva. Okay, if you do not have Canva already, please go ahead and download it. It is free and super easy to use. Let's jump in. Now you open Canva and search for ebook templates. In Canva, when you search for ebook templates, you see a ton of free options to choose from. You pick a design that you like and then you customize it. There are paid versions and there are free options. So as like we said, we are trying to create this ebook for free. Now go ahead to choose the template you like. I chose this, and now I am editing the features of this template. You saw what was there before, and going by the title of the ebook, you have to use something different. So I went ahead to the elements and typed in healthy food. That would be a very beautiful image for the cover of the ebook. You can see how lovely it looks now. So go ahead to start editing your text, edit the images, edit to your standard, basically, as much as you like. If you want to add anything, if you want to remove anything, it is free. Okay, so just do as you wish and to your desire. Tweak it to the vibe that you want to get. Now one thing I love about Canva is that you can get free images. Okay, you can get free images from Canva. You saw how I changed the picture in the cover that was there before. You do not have to start looking for pictures or going to Google to type pictures or download pictures. You do not need that. And then you can always tweak things like the text. You can add animations, you can reduce the size of the font, you can edit the font itself. Just choose whatever works for you. You can change the format as you like. It is your ebook and you are doing it for free, so go ahead and do it as you like. Okay, so now we're done with the cover. You know, this is a sample. I'm not really working towards getting perfection, but if it's yours, you have to put a little more effort. Okay, so when you're selling it, you know, it will be worth the money. Now we're going on to the introduction part. I went ahead to type it, and like I said, I would need to change the images because it is not fitting for the content of the ebook. So I went ahead to type healthy lifestyle. You can see some parts are free, some parts have the paid version icon. So like we said, we are going for the free version. So just click on anyone that you love and it is free. So I chose this. I cropped it and moved it to the angle I want it to be. Okay, you can decide to change the background of this chapter of this page. Just switch as you like. Okay, like I said earlier, to your desire. Now I went ahead to copy the chapter, the introduction part rather. I copy, you'd edit. It's pretty simple with your phone. In less than 3 hours you are done with this. Trust me. No matter how big your ebook is or how large the content is, it doesn't matter. You can create as much as 200 pages on Canva. So while you have the liberty to be creative, we want to remember to keep it clean and easy to read. Okay, you do not want to make it really clustered or bombarded with so many effects, so many text. Make it clean and easy to read. Use beautiful images that are simple. This would help it make it easier for your readers to understand what they are reading, and they would enjoy reading it. Okay, so have this in mind while you are at the liberty to be as creative as you want. So I went ahead to edit the next chapter, and I'm just showing you repeating the same thing. You copy, you paste, you copy, you paste, adjust as you wish. Nothing serious. That's all. Repeat until you are completely done with the complete book. Okay, so you just swipe to go to the next page, keep swiping to go to the next page, and that's how you get your ebook done and ready to download. Okay, so I would go ahead to download now. We are done. If you are satisfied, of course you download. Now I want you to note this: when choosing the download options, please choose PDF. Okay, this is perfect for an ebook because it maintains the formatting on your devices. So save this as a PDF file. Please save it as a PDF file. I edited that because I didn't create anything on the other numbers of the pages, so that, you know, because of space on my phone. So basically that's it. Our ebook is ready and we're good to go. And that's it. You have just created your very own ebook on your phone for free. Now, if you're wondering how to sell this ebook and make serious money, don't worry, I've got you covered. In my next video, I will show you how to market and sell your ebook like crazy. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned so you do not miss it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope I helped you kickstart your ebook journey. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Bye.